the skill level that's in front of him.
Well, you know Magsayo, he's experienced. He's gonna go. So, obviously mixed. Oh.
Ang mga Pinoy boxing fans ngayon ay nag-abang kung sino ang pinakaunang mag-world champion sa taong 2025. Isa na nga dito itong Tubong Bohol, ang binansagang Magnifico ng Philippine boxing.
Here we go! Yan ang puwersa na taglay ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Bagsak na naman!
Si Mark Magsayo na may 27 panalo, 2 talo at 17 knockouts na naninirahan sa California, USA. Si Magsayo ay former WBC featherweight champion at kasalukuyang rank 3 sa WBC, rank 3 sa WBO, at rank 4 sa IBF. Matapos siyang mahirapan sa pagbawas ng timbang sa featherweight division, kung saan natalo siya kina Ray Vargas, Brandon Figueroa, nagdesisyon ang kanyang kampo na umakyat siya sa super featherweight division. Sa bagong division na ito, pinatunayan ni Magsayo ang kanyang lakas at bilis ng pabagsakin niya ng 2 beses ang Mexican boxer na si Isaac Avilar, na tila isang tinumbang poste at naisugod pa sa ospital matapos ang laban.
Mark Magsayo.
A huge KO!
Mark Magsayo.
A huge KO!
Para makita kung gaano kalakas si Magsayo, panoorin natin ang kanyang laban nitong Disyembre 14, 2024 kontra sa Ecuadorian boxer na si Brian Mercado na may record na 11 panalo, 6 na talo at 6 na knockouts. Pagpasok pa lang ng unang round, bumitaw agad ng mga solidong suntok si Magsayo na bistadong nasaktan si Mercado pag tinatamaan.
You're going to stay busy, and you're going to be evenly matched up. It's not going to be a cakewalk where someone takes you out to dinner. You're going to have to earn every round, earn every single punch. And, he's matched up with a man with 18 professional fights.
That's what we talked about.
We saw that right at the beginning, right there, Mercado hit him with that left hand. So Magsayo's got to be ready. He's got to be alert.
I'm liking what I see already. I saw the step over, as if to say, I want an early night, but I want to give everybody an opportunity to show my skills to the world once again.
Saw that beautiful setup right there from Magsayo, and that's what we talked about in the dressing room. I talked to him, I talked to his wife. He said, I can't overreach, I can't lunge in, and he's starting to do that. He's got to set up.
Brian Mercado, he's ready. Let's remember, let's remind people that Brian Mercado was supposed to fight November 30th against.
Muncie, y'all, he has to let it go. Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You sit back and pace. You're looking at the scars.
He almost got him there with that left. And Brian Mercado, he's ready. Let's remember and let's remind people that Brian Mercado was supposed to fight November 30th against Carmel Moten. But Moten came in 15 pounds over the weight limit. Moten, obviously a great prospect from Mayweather Promotions, and obviously he said, no, I can't fight this guy 15 pounds over. So here he is. That was November 30th, and Brian is ready.
What's with these Mayweather fighters? They seem to come overweight. That's part of their game plan.
An experienced fighter, speed, power, he's got it. Letting his hands go.
And over.
Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes you get away with it, and their ways. I guess they hope that the fighter will take the fight and have that advantage. But Brian said no. That's their ways. I guess they hope that the fighter will take the fight and have that advantage. But Brian said no. I'm not taking the fight. And here he is. Ooh. Against Magsayo.
Magsayo's cutting the ring off right now. He's just waiting. He's participating. He knows what's in front of him. He can feel the skill level that's in front of him. There you go.
Isang matinding suntok sa katawan ang nagpabagsak kay Mercado. Ngunit nakatayo ito at nalampasan ang bilang ng referee.
Walks him down. He's a shot to the...
They're a better move to catch some air, to gain, opportunity to recover a little bit. But Magsayo, he's experienced. He's gonna go for
There he goes again. And I'm looking at the corner, Magsayo.
catch
Sa
some
kabila
air.
nito,
to
isang
gain,
solidong kaliwa
opportunity
mula
to
kay
recover a
Magsayo
little
ang
bit.
muling
But
nagpabagsak
Magsayo,
kay
he's
Mercado.
experienced. He's gonna go for
Ngunit inabot pa ito sa pagtunog ng bell.
I'm looking at Brandon
They're
Gibbons.
probably talking about the mouthpiece that
Yeah.
he spent, but here he is again, Magsayo.
Pagsapit ng ikalawang round, dito na tinapos ni Magsayo ang laban.
So, obviously mixed. Oh,
Keep going in there. That's referee. I think he's getting ready to call it. Give us count. Give us 10 count. Let him see. Let him see what he has.
Referee's going to stop this.
yeah, I'm
If not,
I'm
if not,
surprised
the
Mercado
corner.
got up. I thought he was just gonna stay there.
Dahil sa mga solidong suntok sa katawan, bagsak ulit si Mercado at dito na inawat ng referee ang laban. Nakuha ni Magsayo ang panalo sa pamamagitan ng knockout sa ikalawang round. Sa ipinakitang lakas ni Magsayo, may posibilidad kaya siyang mag-world champion ulit. Pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba. Aabangan natin ang kanyang laban kay Eduardo Hernandez para sa title eliminator sa taong 2025.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.